I still use my GoPro 4. Yesterday GoPro released their GoPro 9, which is the latest version. The reason why I'm not buying new GoPro is because I still have plans to upgrade my lighting and my sound. And GoPro is like the last priority on my bucket list to buy a camera. Maybe the next camera would be a drone and then another full frame camera, and only then I would go for a GoPro. Also, tomorrow is Meena's birthday. In 10 or 15 days we are expecting our first child. So I really don't know what to buy for her. But I have some idea in my mind. Let's go to the shop and I'll show you what we are planning to get. This is the Kilkatle lake. So when we were in Kilkatle, me and Meena used to come here very often for an evening walk. This used to be very beautiful, full of water. And because of summer, I think the water has reduced.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
And for Meena's birthday, I have bought her a sewing machine. Recently, I saw her buying some needle and thread and doing a lot of things with the cloth. So I have a feeling that she might like a sewing machine. If she doesn't like it,
no one stopping me now.
Meena turns 27 today. We have Parthiban and Anu who stays in the 5th floor. My friends, they are coming. Meena mother is here, she is also coming. And once at 12 o'clock, we will cut the cake for her. Four of Meena's friends are coming today. So as soon as they come inside, I'm planning to take Meena for shopping. And by the time they're planning to come home, decorate everything. And we will give Meena a surprise. We're expecting baby in another 20 to 25 days, and so Meena mother bought a old vesti. Vesti is a type of lungi which they wear in Tamilnadu, and we are going to convert that into diaper. Now for the first 10 or 15 days the baby is going to poop a lot, so you cannot use a diaper. You need to keep changing it very frequently by some soft cloth. So this is how we are going to do. We are going to cut the vesti into 8 equal pieces and then take one sheet and fold it into, like 2, and then stitch the edges.